Hello, it's Kasu and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a way to make the cute and delicious burger from Fortnite. First, you're going to need, of course, some white and black beads. You will also need some creme to make the dot on the bread, light brown and butterscotch color to make the delicious bread, some red, yellow, brown, pink, red pastel, and also some green and translucent green. I'm doing first the shape of the burger to make it easier for me to count and see what I'm drawing exactly. To make this one, I used different techniques than for the llama. For the llama, I have took a picture of the llama and then I have with Photoshop make it with less resolution and more pixel and to help me to build the shape. But for the burger, I drew it all by myself with just with the beads, so I had to do a few try and the first one that I made is not on this video, but the first one I made was kind of funny. Now we're just gonna color the inside of the bread, the yummy bread. I use the cream color to make the seed and the dark brown to just make a bit more of shading in the burger. And here we go, you have the Fortnite burger at home now. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you have any suggestion or anything that you like that I made with the HAMA beads. I'll be happy to do it. Voila, we are done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!